This is the demo video for Medicare Compare's online tool, which includes the electronic scope of appointment document signing and document locker. There's two different ways to access this. We can go directly into the document signing, which will take us directly to start a new electronic scope of appointment form. So we'll start here and walk through this method, and then I'll show you how you can also access your entire document locker. So these are the electronic documents that are in progress. It will say the project names that you've already started. They're all the incompletes here that I've not finished, as well as the document. They're all scope of sales appointment confirmation forms. And then we can see the status, the last modified date, and the date they were created. You can also always click this little trash can here in the red to delete any of these out that you do not want to finish. To start a new document, you'll click Start Document. This is so great that this tool is on the same platform as the coding tools. When you're working with a client, you can just send this right over to them electronically, or you can do it in person. So we'll go ahead and title the document. I'm going to call it Friday Test. We'll save and continue. Again, you'd want to title this with your client's name, but today for this demo, we'll just call it Friday. We'll go ahead and scroll to the bottom of the page as the agent, and we will agree to the terms and conditions of the electronic document. Then we'll click Continue. Then it will ask if we're in the same physical location as our client. If we say no, then we will have to use the email signature link. So then what happens is an email signature link is sent to the applicant, and then they will get a verification code with a link. They will click on the link and enter the verification code, and then it will go ahead and prompt them to fill out their portion. Today we're going to say we're in the same physical location. It's going to be the exact same process, except we will see the applicant's portion that will be filled out right away instead of an email being sent to them first with a verification code and email. We're just doing this today since we do not want to pull up the email for this demo. We'll just go ahead and walk right through it as if they already use the verification code in the link. So we'll say the applicant provides identifying information. We'll say that we're in the same physical location. So again, if we weren't, they would just be sent an email link with a verification code. They click on that verification link and enter the code, and they're good to go. So this is the applicant confirmation form. So the applicant will complete the following. So this is what they would fill out after clicking on the link and entering their verification. So this is the piece that they will walk through. They'll say what they want to discuss. They'll say the applicant's name here. So we'll just say applicant test. I cannot type today. Relationship, if the beneficiary is not signing, but if it is the applicant themselves filling this out, we don't need to do that here. This is how they verify themselves. So mother's maiden name and last four of their SOCH. So we'll just say Smith, last four of their SOCH, the city that they're signing in, and the state that they're signing in, the zip code, and then they'll apply their signature. So that's how easy it is for them to do their signature if they are with you. If they're not with you, all they need to do, again, is click on the link in the email that they are sent, enter the verification code, and then it's all good to go. So this is the agent filling this portion out. So this is the portion that you as the agent would need to do. We'll enter the agent's phone number, and then the beneficiary name. Again, I cannot type very well today. The address, the city, the state, the zip code, and then we can say if they are a beneficiary already, maybe they're a walk-in client, and then the plans represented. Maybe we say Mutual of Omaha. The date that the appointment was completed, and then we'll go ahead and click Continue. So again, this was very easy to fill out. The most challenging part for me was typing in the information correctly. So it's a very easy system to use. And then the agent's name will be listed here. And then they click Apply eSignature as the agent and then Sign. And then the entire form is already filled out and signed. So it's a very easy electronic scope appointment to use. Then you can just click Save to Library. And it will save this document to your document locker. So then I'll show you how you can get back to your document locker here. So it's going to take you automatically here. So this is your document locker with all of your documents stored. This is going to be where you can create folders. These are all folders I've created. So to create a new folder, you click New Folder. You can upload any existing documents. Maybe you have paper documents for electronic scope appointment forms. You could scan those and then you can upload them here so everything's saved in one place. Or you can upload any other types of documents you'd like. It doesn't have to just be ESOAs. You can create the new document from this page. You can export the entire library. And then here is our Friday test that we just did. So if we click preview, we can actually see this form that we just filled out. Everything's filled out. This is all the information I just typed. And so everything is saved here and it's nice and neat for you. You can always move these. So if I want to move this Friday test into a different folder, I just click move and then I can put it in the folder. And then we just click move and then it moves into that folder. So now this Friday one is gone and it's moved into my SOA folder. That's where I put it. So you can open your folders and see everything that's listed there. So it's very, very easy to use. And then we can go to the dashboard again where we first came into the tool, and to get to that document locker where all the files were listed, we just click view files and it will take us right back to where we just were, where all those documents are listed after completing the scope of appointment form. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you found it useful and have a great rest of your day.